like me. You came out of that direction. I got here early to find parking. Now I'm gonna walk around. Yeah, I need to check in probably like 30-15 minutes beforehand. So I got like a half hour. Should be fun. Let's go check Wellington out. So I'm dumb. I took the SD card out of my camera, so spent all the time walking back to the car. So yeah, there's like 30 minutes before my tour starts, so I'm gonna check in. And here's the surprise. At the Weta Studio for Lord of the Rings. So after the Weta tour, which was awesome by the way, I couldn't actually film in there. They said basically if you film in there or take pictures, you get fined a lot of money, and then they get in trouble, and then they have to take everything that got filmed down and replace it with other stuff. So I didn't film, but the weather's been shit all day. I'm in the van right now, hanging out, watching TV shows, watching a movie. Maybe I'll read in a little bit, not sure. But you know, not every day is fantastic. Sometimes it's gonna be shit. Tomorrow is the last day in Wellington before I leave on the ferry. And yeah, I think I'm gonna try going to the mall and then maybe to the movies after the mall. Yeah, I just need to get on my laptop to upload everything I've done the last like week and see some documents for a fire job. That is life of the van living. Today's day 64. Not sure how that happened. But I'm at a windmill farm. As you can see, hopefully it's not too windy. But yeah, I'm going on a hike at the windmill farm. And yeah, it's super pretty up here. Yeah, let me see if I can get us a little closer to the edge. This is a really wide camera. It's probably ruining my voiceover. I just want to know how, like, this is like a real place. This is insane. And after a nice little lunch and a nice walk, I am now done with the windmills. As you can see behind me though, there's a nasty storm coming in. So I have two options. I can stay up here, maybe get some pictures of lightning, or I can go back to Wellington and go catch a movie for like 2 hours. I'm thinking I'm gonna go to Wellington to go catch a movie because I don't want to be stuck up here in the rain, because this was a nasty road coming up and it's gonna be even worse going down.